let's simplify n cubed times n to the 5. We're going to be adding the powers, because when we multiply and things are to the same base, meaning that n's the same, we can just add the powers. So we've got n to the 8. We've got it in fraction form, which is just really a fancy divide. Now we take the things with the same powers and we take them away from each other because it's division. And we get c to the 1, which we normally just write as c. We don't need to, if you wrote it as a 1, you're not going to lose marks. And you've got d to the 4 divided by d to the 1. So 4 minus 1 giving you d cubed. So we get c d cubed. So remember, when you divide and they're to the same base, you take away. Now here we've got an inequality. Now inequality is when you have a greater than or less than sign. Now remember, with a greater than sign, or you're just reading it from left to right. So this way is greater than. And you treat it like an equal sign. There's one place where it's different. I'll do that very quickly in a second. But at the moment, you pretend like it's an equal sign. Nothing changes and you copy it down. So I'm going to times 2 on both sides to give me 5x is bigger than 7 times 2, 14. Then I'm going to get rid of the 5 to get the x on its own. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And I get x is greater than 14 over 5. And just leave it like that. Don't try write it as a decimal or anything else unless it tells you otherwise. Now, the only time the sign flips is when you multiply or you divide by a negative number. Now, here's why. Say I have 5 we know is bigger than 3. Say I multiply both sides by minus 2. I'm going to get minus 10 and minus 6. Now, minus 10 is actually less than minus 6.